Honestly, I should not be making one of these because I do makeup so wrong. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my bathroom. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing my natural makeup tutorial. Also, I already did my eyebrows, so sorry if you wanted to see that. I don't think anybody would though. It takes me like 20 minutes and my routine on that is very crazy because I have very crazy eyebrows and they always look like crap. So what I do use for my eyebrows though, if anybody wanted to know, is I just use all NYX products for my eyebrows. So like NYX eyebrow gel, pomade, and then I also use the pencil thing. Yeah, my eyebrows are crazy. It takes a lot of gel to hold them down, and yeah, anyways, enough about that. Let's just get into the video. Okay, so I started using this NYX BB cream. Literally the best thing in the world. It's supposed to help your skin as well as like provide full coverage and everything. I love it so much. It comes out so freaking fast. I didn't want my beauty blender. Always wet your beauty blender or dampen it. Don't like soak it. Okay, I usually don't do this, but I want to do this right now because I feel like, oh my god. I usually don't use my beauty blender for like, oh my god, this is, I just realized this is really light on my face. But yeah, I literally love this so much. It literally feels like there's nothing on my face. Sorry if I'm like doing this weird. I usually do my eyebrows after my foundation, so it's like a little weird for me. But I wanted to do my eyebrows before the video. So yeah, here I am. Okay, so in my full face of makeup, I usually use concealer, but I don't think I'm going to because I don't feel like I need it. Maybe for like my bags, but honestly, this is supposed to be a natural makeup tutorial, so okay, so I think I'm just gonna jump into blush. Blush scares me. I rarely use it. I usually just do like contour, but I think my face is too pale for it right now, so whenever I put it on it just looks like orange or like too dark. It's just weird, so I'm just gonna use blush. Let's see how this goes. What the hell did I just do? What the hell? I just fucking ruined everything. I just need like some color to my freaking face because it's so freaking pale. Why does this side look better? Ew, no it doesn't. Oh my god, I destroyed my freaking face. Okay. Ew, my blush looks so bad now. Why did I add blush? I know that that doesn't look good on me. Okay, Okay, so basically what I just did was use this thing and I just put that on my face to contour. That way it wouldn't look like too like orange. Yikes. Okay, well now I have to do it to the rest of my face, so. I basically just contoured with both blush and bronzer to kind of like not make it so orange. I don't know, I don't think that really helped. But okay, so now I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula highlight in the shade Pearl, and to set it I'm going to be using the Mario whatever to spray onto my brush. Also, don't make fun of my highlighter brush. I have to get an actual one. I'm pretty sure this is the e.l.f. concealer brush, but I use it for highlight, so. So basically I just put highlighter wherever I feel like it, basically. Honestly, I don't care. Honestly, I feel like I look the same from when I started. So for mascara, I use the Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. Sorry, I'm like blocking your view of how I apply mascara. Okay, so now moving on to my lips. I also just recently picked up this Essence Instacare lipstick. It has 20% shea butter oil. I don't know if I said that right. I also love this just because it's so natural and it adds like color to your lips while like moisturizing them and making them look good. So now I'm just gonna set my face with the Mario whatever face spray. So that is all for my very messy makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And here is a lovely montage of my face.